Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about how you can create multiple YouTube channels under one account or one email. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So once you are on YouTube, you should be logged in your email, and all you have to do is you have to go to use YouTube Studio, and we'll wait for it to load. So it's taking some time for it to load for some reason, maybe because of slow internet connection. Now we have to do is go in settings and go to channel and click on advanced channel and scroll more down and click on manage YouTube account. So another window will pop up. Now it's showing my email address over here with what I've signed up this account. Now you simply go ahead and click on add or manage your channels. So we would be on this page. As you can see, I have these two channels. So you can go ahead and create a new channel by clicking over here, and you can add your channel name whatever you like. Maybe let's say if you want to type in how eggy one, you simply click on I understand and click on create. Now once this is done, your account would be created. Now it will ask for your phone number. If you are in US or India or anywhere, just put in your phone number over here, and you will receive a SMS code. Just verify that SMS code and your account would be created. So it is this simple to create multiple YouTube channels using the same account. And still, in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.